How are angles measured? Let this be the initial arm of the angle and assume its terminal arm lies here. We can see that an angle is formed here between the two arms. One of the most important things we need to know about angles is the direction in which they are measured. If the angle is measured this way, then the angle is said to be positive. This is the anti-clockwise measure of the angle. It's called anti-clockwise since the angle is measured in this direction, which is opposite to the direction of the hand movements of the clock. But can it be measured in another way? Assume we have a ray like this, which is moved this way. This is the initial arm and this is the terminal arm. Then the angle measured will be negative. And this, as you would have already guessed, is called the clockwise direction. If an angle is measured anti-clockwise, it is considered positive. And if it is measured clockwise, it is considered negative. But what is it that we use more often? Generally, we measure the angle anti-clockwise, and it is preferred over the clockwise measure. Let's assume both the rays move by the same measure. If this angle is measured as 30, then this angle will be minus 30. That's all. But 30 what? Minus 30 what? What units do we use? The angles are measured with the units known as degrees. Consider this ray OA. If this ray is rotated completely once, then the total angle formed would be 360 degrees. This tiny circle you see at the top right corner of the number is used to represent degrees. If the ray lies anywhere in between one complete rotation, then the measure of the angle will be between 0 and 360 degrees. So remember, with one complete rotation of a ray, we cover 360 degrees. But why the number 360? Is there any other way to measure an angle apart from degrees? What are the different types of angles? We understand all this in the coming videos.